Okay, next one up is this sweet Triumph Thruxton R. This is a new client, just rode all the way from the other side of London. We've just gone over a few options with him, and he's going with the full works package. That will be a full wash, degrease, decontamination. We will thoroughly scrub all these spokes. Unfortunately, they are chrome on these Triumphs, so quite a few of them have already started going rusty. So we're going to scrub each and every one of those, all these discs. We're going to mint up this exhaust, mirror polish it afterwards, get that burnt on boot crap off of there. All the chain will be degreased, blow dried, all re-lubed. We will then treat it to a nice coating of ACF 50, all your motor, all up underneath the tank, all behind your fairing here. Anything that I think will corrode will have ACF 50 on it, including all these spokes, all these spoke nipples, sprocket nuts. And then we're going to do a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork as it's feeling a bit rough. And then we're going to treat it to some Ultimax Signature Pro ceramic. That's a 5 years worth of ceramic paint protection. And then this bike will be trotted. Let's get cracking. There you go, 2.5 hours on the dot that this Triumph Thruxton R has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Oh my God, this thing is gorgeous. We have done a full valet, decom, degrease, extra care on all these spokes. We have lightly rubbed down the rust off all these front spokes and the back ones. Washed it, we washed it twice. We then blow dried every inch of this bike to make sure there's no water in any switch gear, all up underneath the tank. Everything's been blow dried. We then misted it with a nice coating of ACF 50, all your engine, all your front of your motor. All these spokes, spoke nipples have all had a nice coating of ACF 50 on them. That will neutralize any rust that's already on there and prevent any further rust. All your front of your motor, all your frame, everything's been ACF 50'd, all behind you. And then we wiped it all down and then got down to some polishing. We polished up all this exhaust, mirror polished up all these headers. They are like new. Engine covers have all had a nice polish. I then did a two-stage machine polish on all the bodywork, side covers, tank, fairing, windscreen, headlight, two-stage polish, and then we treat it to a nice coating of the Ultimax Signature Pro ceramic. That has now got 5 years worth of paint protection. Gloss is on point. Oh my God, this thing is gorgeous. Mirror polished up all the top yoke that was all marked up. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. This is a full works package. Your bike deserves it. Give us a call, 07966 249 963.